We've got a new face with us at the Property Law Alliance now Wednesday webinar today. And that's Claire. And Claire, I believe that you are the legal manager at SSLR. I don't know if you just want to quickly introduce yourself to our viewers. It's good to have a new face with us.
Thank you. It's good to be here. Yeah, my name is Claire Laurent. I'm a senior associate and recently legal manager. So I basically oversee all of our practitioners, mostly with residential, but all aspects of property law.
Nice. It's very nice to have you with us. So I think to kick it off, we've got a question by Kay Dumont. I apologize if I butchered your name, but the question goes, if a lease agreement has ended and a tenant decides to squat on the property, despite the landlord giving him reasonable notice to vacate, can the landlord move into his own property, seeing as there is no longer a lease agreement in place? Claire, what advice can we provide to Kay in this regard?
Well, I think, Bruno, you'd agree with me. We do get this posed quite a bit. And it's understandable. I think most people see it as, well, there's no contract in place and I own this property, so I'm moving back in, which would be a nice or ideal in any setting. But unfortunately, there is laws relating to what the landlord can and can't do in these circumstances. So this is seen, it would be seen by the landlord as an act of spoliation, which is, if we think that tenant is in occupation of the property, they hold possession of the property. So whether they occupy the property lawfully or not, whether there's a contract in place or not, if they're in possession of the property, any act which is taken by any other person, including the owner, to disturb the use and enjoyment of the property is seen as an act of spoliation for which the tenant does have recourse. And the consequences are, unfortunately, that it may prejudice an eviction in the long run, or even expose the owner to a cost order if that tenant applies to court for a spoliation order. In essence, the position is that an owner can't take the law into their own hands, and we have to, unfortunately, follow a lawful process of obtaining an eviction order from a court.
Thanks, Claire. I really appreciate that. Kay, I hope that answers your question. I'm sure it does.